Starting a business often hinges on securing the right funding. Entrepreneurs can explore various options like personal savings, crowdfunding, angel investors, and venture capital. Each route offers unique benefits and challenges. Financial support is crucial, not just for initial costs, but for sustaining growth. Consider the story of Sarah, who turned a modest crowdfunding campaign into a thriving online boutique, or James, who leveraged angel investment to launch his tech startup. Their journeys remind us that with determination and the right backing, dreams can become reality. Non-repayable funds from the government, nonprofits, or private organization. Business grants, free money, pros, no repayment required, helps with startup costs, can improve credibility and attract investors. Cons, highly competitive application process. Strict eligibility criteria. Funds may be restricted to specific uses. What is business credit? Business credit is a financial profile that represents a company's ability to borrow money and manage debt. It works similarly to personal credit, but is tied to your business's employer identification number, EIN, rather than your Social Security number, SSN. Building strong business credit can help entrepreneurs qualify for loans, lines of credit, and better financing terms without relying on personal credit. List of banks offering business credit and requirements. 1. Chase Bank Business Credit Card and Line of Credit Requirements. Business EIN and legal registration. Good personal credit score, 650 plus, 6 plus months in business. 2. Wells Fargo, small business loans and credit cards. Requirements: business must be active for at least 6 months. Minimum personal credit score, 670, on revenue, do verification. 3. Bank of America, business credit cards and loans requirements, business checking account with BUF-A preferred. EIN and business documentation. 1+ year in business for better approval odds. 4. Capital One business credit cards requirements, personal credit score, 650 plus, proof of revenue, EIN and business registration. Citibank business lines of credit and loans. Requirements: business must be operational for at least 12 months. Good credit history, 680 plus personal score. Business financials, bank statements, tax returns. 6. American Express business credit cards, no preset spending limit. Requirements: high personal credit score, 700 plus. Proof of consistent business revenue. Business, EIN and legal structure. 7. U.S. Bank, business credit lines and loans. Requirements: business must have a revenue of 100K plus, 689 plus personal credit score, EIN and business financial records. D8. TD Bank, business loans and credit cards. Requirements: 6+ months in business. Good personal and business credit score. Proof of revenue and tax ID. Building business credit takes time, but it helps entrepreneurs secure loans, credit lines, and better financial opportunities. Start by registering your business, getting a DUNS number, and working with vendors who report to credit bureaus. Once your business credit is strong, you can qualify for larger funding options to grow your business.